Hi, I'm Chris Carter with Royal Gaskets, Tennessee, here to demonstrate and show you how to operate the VSC-2 and the VSC-3 spring compressor tool. The VSC-2 spring compressor tool is a longer. You would take the pushrod tube and you would put the tube up onto your belt, put the spring onto the tube, and if you'll notice, the tool has a little L to it. You'd put that on the bottom of your hand. You would angle, and then you'd pull this straight back, and that's what it would look like. The VSC-3 spring compressor tool would operate the exact same way. And then when you would go to your engine, you would put this over to the engine and you would pull down onto this and it releases the spring, which it would be onto the engine. And that is how you operate and use the VSC-2 and the VSC-3 spring compressor tool.